Hello viewers, I am Maitli. Today we are going to see 11 CBSE Maths Trigonometric Function Exercise 3.3 fifth sum. Let's see the question. Find the value of sine 75. In the second sum it is given that tan 15. Sine 75 we don't know the trigonometric value in the trigonometric value in the tabular column. We know only 30, 60, 45, 90 and 0. Here it is sine 75. So I am going to change this to sine 45 plus 30 because I know the value of two things. Sine 45 I know, sine 30 I know. It is not just substituting sine 45 and sine 30. It is in the bracket. It's totally different. It is not equal to sine 45 and plus sine 30. Most of them do the mistake. It is just sine 45 plus 30. I'm just splitting it 75 to 45 plus 30. This we can write it in the formula of sine A plus B. If sine A is 45 and B is 30, we know sine A plus B is equal to sine A into cos B plus cos A into sine B. So this is the formula for, this is the identity for sine A plus B. We know that A is 45 and B is 30. If they have given this part, we need to write it in this part. If it's given in this part, we need to write it in this part. They have given in this part, so I need to complete the answer in this part. I can write this to be sine 45. A is 45 and B is 30. So cos 30 plus cos 45 into sine 30. Now I know the value of sine and cos value of 45 and 30. I am just going to substitute it. Here it becomes 1 by root 2 into root 3 by 2 for cos 30 plus cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Here this becomes sin 30 is 1 by 2. Now multiply the numerator into numerator and denominator into denominator. 1 by 2 root 2. This, just as the denominator is same, writing the denominator once. Here root 3 plus 1 will be root 3 plus 1. This is the final answer for the first sum. We can't solve further. We can conjugate, but not necessary for this trigonometric values. We can leave it as it is. Now we'll move on to the second one. The second one, it is given that tan 15. Even this value we don't know. Tan 15 value we don't know. So for that reason, I'm just changing the 15 as 45 degree minus 30 degree. If it is 45 and 30, I know the value of 45, 30, but we can't substitute it directly for tan 45 and tan 30. We need to write it in formula. We can write tan A minus B. The formula for A minus B is tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. Just substitute the value. Instead of A, substitute 45 and instead of B, substitute 30 degree. To find the values. Here tan 45 plus tan 30 by 1 plus tan 45 into tan 30. This becomes 1 plus 1 by root 3 by 1, sorry, here it's minus 1 plus, here 1 into 1 by root 3. Now I am going to take the LCM. If I take LCM, it becomes root 3 minus 1 by root 3 by root 3 plus 1 by root 3. Here root 3 gets cancelled. It becomes root 3 plus 1 by root 3. So root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. I need to conjugate this. If I conjugate, there is only one root, so I left it here, but here it's plus or minus, so I need to conjugate, so it becomes root 3 minus 1. I need to multiply both on the numerator and the denominator. If I multiply this 2, I get A plus B whole square formula, which is A square plus B square minus 2AB. Because both are same, root 3 plus 1, here is also root 3 plus 1. When multiplying both, I get A plus B whole square by here A plus B into A minus B, which is A square minus B square, that is 3 minus 1. So my final answer will be 4 plus 2 root 3 by 2. I can take 2 common, which is on the numerator. So if I take 2 common, it becomes 2 plus 2 root 3 by 2. Here 2 gets cancelled. Sorry, here minus. So my final answer for the sum is 2 minus root 3. Here 2 minus root 3 is the final answer for the second sum. That's all with the sum. Thank you.